Okay, sir. Good morning po.
Sir, muna sir.
Unang-una po sa lahat, paano mo po nalaman na hiring si Megaforce?
Bali sir, nalaman ko lang po na hiring si Megaforce dahil po nag-prefer sa akin si Sir Steven Martin.
Okay, kay Sir Steven Martin.
Yes sir.
Ilang taon ka na po, sir?
26 years old po sir.
26. Ikaw po ba ay eksperyensado ng guard o first time mo palang magiging security?
First time pa lang sir maging security.
First time. So, bago ka mapag-isip-isip na maging security, ano po naging trabaho mo nun?
Bago po sir ako pumasok ng security guard, ako po ay isang bagger sa isang supermarket sir doon po sa probinsya namin sir.
Sa bagger. Ano po ang tinapos natin sa pag-aaral, sir?
Nakatapos po ako sir na college grad course sa kursong Bachelor in Technical Teacher Education or BTTE, major in automotive sir.
Wow, nice. So, ikaw pa talaga ay willing na maging security.
Yes sir, willing po ako sir maging isang security guard.
Bakit mo ginustong maging security?
Ginusto ko sir maging security upang mahasa pa ang aking pagiging husay ba bilang makipag-socialize sa ibang tao at magprotekta ng mga ari-arian lalo na mga tao dito sir.
Tama, very good. So, ikaw naman po ba ay nakapag-training sa security, sir?
Yes sir.
So, dahil nag-training ka, sir, konting katanungan lang po regarding sa 11 General Order.
Yes sir.
So, bigyan mo po ako ng 5 General Order na alam mo po. 5 lang muna.
GO number 1 sir, to take charge of this post and all company properties in view, to protect, preserve the same with utmost diligence.
Very good.
GO number 2 sir, to walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing sir.
Sige. Number 3.
GO number 3 sir, to report all violations of regulations of order I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4 sir, to repeat all calls from post more distant to the security house where I am stationed sir. GO number 5 sir, to quit my post only when properly relieved.
Sige, diretso mo na, sir.
GO number 6, to receive, obey, and pass on to the relieving guards all orders from the company officer, officials, supervisors, post in charge, or ship leader, sir. GO number 7, to talk to no one except in the line of duty, sir. GO number 8, to sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder, sir. GO number 9, to call the superior officer in any case not covered by the instruction, sir. GO number 10, to salute all the company officials, supervisors in the agency, ranking public officials, and commissioned officers of the armed forces of the Philippine National Police. GO number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons on or nearby post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority, sir.
Very good. How about the 4 cardinal rules of gun safety?
For cardinal rules of gun safety. Consider all guns as always loaded. Number 2, sir, never point your gun on something you are not willing to destroy.
3.
Keep your finger off the trigger until the nozzle downrange.
4.
Number 4, sir, is be sure of what your target and what is behind you.
How about the TPAS?
TPAS, sir,
T stands for?
T stands for twist the pin, P stands for pull the pin, A stands for aim the nozzle to the base of fire, S stands for squeeze the trigger, and another S stands for sweeps from side to side.
Very good. Yan. Yan po si SG Celetaria. So, ito na yung request nyo. Hindi lang po 11 general order, cardinal rules. May tipas din po tayo mga boss idol. So, okay sir, what is security?
Security. Security is the state of being free from danger, harm, or fear, providing protection against risks and threats to individuals, organizations, or assets, sir.
How about security guards?
Sir, security guard, sir. Security guard is a professional hired to protect property, assets, or people by maintaining high visibility presence to deter illegal activity, vandalism, or safety hazard, sir.
Alam mo pa ang security grid?
Sir, yes, sir.
Sige, ano mo sa akin yung security grid?
Security grid, sir. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect lives and property and maintain order within the vicinity of my place of duty. Protect the interest of my employer and our clients and the security and the stability of our government and country without compromise and prejudice. Honest to my action, words and thought, and do my best to uphold the principle.
Very good. Yan. So, thank you sir. Check na po natin yung mga requirements mo na original and Xerox. Tapos, mag-undergo na po tayo ng medical neurodrug test sir ha. Okay po sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.